Take a look at it, folks. Take a long, hard look at it. Because right now, the Bitcoin price is potentially forming yet another massive bearish divergence here on the daily time frame. The last several times that we have seen this occur, the Bitcoin price has dumped drastically. Is this going to happen again? Only time will tell. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Before we even get started with all of these bearish divergences here on the one-day time frame, I want to go out to the weekly and just take a look at the volume here as well. If you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know I have been pointing this out now over the past several streams. We are seeing a massive bearish volume divergence here on the weekly time frame. Obviously, the Bitcoin price has been on a parabolic surge to the upside, creating higher high after higher high. But we're not seeing the same follow through here on the volume profile. In fact, we're seeing the very opposite. And if we do go out here to the monthly as well, it becomes even more evident. You can see ever since the Bitcoin price stuck in its bottom and began its parabolic ascent, you can see that when we do connect these highs here on the volume profile, that the trend is definitively downward. This is what's known as a bearish volume divergence. We're not seeing the volume back up the buying pressure, okay? Quite the opposite of what we saw here on the bull run, right? Look at this, an upward sloping staircase of volume leading to the volume climax right there at the top, then only to see the opposite happen over here on this run. This is very interesting here, and I think it's something that many are overlooking. That's the first divergence that I wanted to put on your radar because to me, this is an absolute warning shot fired. I'm not saying that this has to end the run or anything like that. I'm just saying that it's odd and it's something to keep on your radar. Let's get this crypto. Now here's where things start to get super interesting. If you are subscribed to this channel, you would know that I've been pointing out that, hey, there are many bullish things going on with the Bitcoin price right now. And the fact of the matter is that yes, we are in a very nice uptrend now. We did find support on top of this old resistance ceiling here. Everything looks fine. We just are seeing some very pretty much behind the scenes types of bearish indicators right now, and it's all in the form of these divergences in my opinion. So let's start here with the technical ratings indicator. That's what we have on the top here, and on the bottom this is the positive directional movement index. All right. And what we have here right now on the technical ratings indicator one-day time frame is a classic bearish divergence. Higher highs in the price action, lower highs on the indicator. Well, where's the last time that we saw this? Right here, folks, right before our plunge of roughly minus 25% to the downside. All right, we had higher highs in the price action, lower highs on the indicator. When was the time before that? Whoopsies. What do you know, folks? Right up there at the top. All right, we saw higher highs on the price action in the bearish Wyckoff distribution range up here, with lower highs coming in across the indicator. And this, as you should all know, led to a catastrophic debacle of roughly minus 55% down. Let's get this crypto. So right now, folks, with this bearish divergence painting itself on the chart, this to me is an absolute warning shot fired. Just is what it is, and I hope you see it there. Let's move on to the next one. Very similar occurrence here as well on the positive directional movement index. You can see clearly the trend is moving upwards, and right now we do have declining highs there. Okay, so this is another classic bearish divergence. When's the last time we saw that one? Same spot right here, folks, led to a catastrophic decline. Then the time before that, same spot again, folks, right there. You just can't make it up. Okay, so 3 times now we are seeing classic bearish divergence since we put in our top around 65K. The last 2 times that we saw it occur on a major high like this, we dumped pretty substantially. Back here I showed you over 50% and over here around 25%. So this as well, to me, is an absolute warning shot fired. And right now there's just a ton of euphoria in the market, and we have on the weekly time frame and monthly time frame that massive volume divergence, and here on the one-day time frame we have this divergence here across both the technical ratings indicator, which if I did not explain, mixes a bunch of different moving averages and oscillators together to give you an all-in-one type of reading. We have a bearish divergence there. We also have a bearish divergence here on the positive directional movement. And of course, with that ETF news this week, many are speculating that this could be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event here, where we start to see retail pile in because they believe that the ETF is coming. The ETF is coming, Kirby. The ETF is coming. They try to get in and then bang, right? Wall Street pulls the rug out from beneath them and sells this thing into the abyss. Now, I'm not saying that that has to happen. I'm just stating that you have to remember back here in late 2017, what was the narrative that fueled the end of the run? You have to get in before the banks, Kirby. This is your last chance to get in before the Wall Street bankers. Really? The last chance to get in before the Wall Street bankers? Because to nearly the exact day that they launched the Bitcoin futures contracts to trade on the traditional market, we saw Bitcoin plunge deeper and deeper into the crypto abyss. That's just a fact. And if you did appreciate that history lesson, well, I would appreciate a thumbs up here for the video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. So there is also that factor looming here, folks, that we could be in for another massive buy the rumor, sell the news type of event here. I'm not saying that that has to happen. I'm just stating that, you know, it's very similar to what we saw all the way back here in late 2017. And in and of itself, folks, this to me is an absolute warning shot fired. All right. I know it's not the popular opinion, but you guys should know sometimes looking at this market from a contrarian perspective and trying to do the opposite of the herd can lead to outstanding results. Let's get this crypto. So I'm just putting all of this on your radar. You let me know with a comment down below, folks. What do you think is going to come of this bearish divergence? Do you think that we are going to see it play out here? Or do you think it's going to wind up being a nothing burger? Let me know with a comment down below. I'm interested to see your reply. And as you can tell right now, folks, the market is certainly starting to heat up here, and I do think that we are in for an explosive move, whether that's to break through this potential new all-time high zone here and just continue to go, or if we see a heinous rejection here, possibly due to this bearish divergence and or the possible ETF buy the rumor, sell the news type of sell-off. Folks, right now I am salivating at what could be a potentially juicy, potentially life-changing trading opportunity that may actually come to fruition up here. And if you do want to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, strategy ideas, everything just like that in absolute real time, I will be keeping you personally updated with that in VIP. So if you are not already in my VIP, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss my next important real-time trade setup idea and alert in VIP. Let's get this crypto. And of course, if you were in my old VIP, you should know by now, but if you don't, my old Telegram account was compromised. I lost access to my old account and the old VIP channel. So if you were an old VIP and you'd like to get into the new VIP group, contact me at my new account, t.me/CryptoKirbyTrading. I will verify that you were in fact an old VIP. I will get you into the new VIP group right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, my friends, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified check mark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.